Hey guys, wanna share a Google Drive link on your Messenger app on your phone device? Let me show you how easy it is, so follow this simple step-by-step tutorial and now let's begin. First off, open Google Drive on your device. It could be an app or website version of it. When inside, simply find the file that you want to share. It could be in the home section or in the files. And when you pretty much find it, just click three dots right beside of it. Then this will bring up this pop-up menu. From here, just click the copy link option. This will copy the link to your clipboard, so exit the Google Drive and then open the Messenger app. Then open the chat with the recipient of the link and paste it inside of the message field. Then simply send it. And also what you should do is come back to Google Drive and tap the same three dots beside the file. Then you should go to the Manage Access option and here click on the restricted option right there. Then just give it a tap again and set it for anyone with the link. But make sure that viewer is not set as editor because the person with these rights could edit the file or even delete it. So that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more tips.